Prepositions following adjectives Part 2. This is the second part of the prepositions that follow certain adjectives. In this part, we'll practice more exercises relevant to the topic. Let's get started. The manager was excited the new project.
About.
I am tired, working late last night.
Of.
She was truly surprised, the outcome.
By.
The old man was accustomed, the quiet life of the village.
To.
She was keenly aware, the risks involved in the project.
Of.
I was disappointed, the movie. It was awful.
With.
I am employed, a local university as a research assistant.
At.
I spent 5 years living in the city, so I am familiar, it.
With.
Vitamins are essential, the body for maintaining optimal health.
To.
I am responsible, taking care of my pet.
For.
The song is composed meaningful lyrics.
Of.
I am grateful, the support I have received.
For.
She was impressed, the stunning performance of the orchestra.
By.
He is fond, the peaceful atmosphere in the countryside.
Of.
She is famous, her beautiful paintings.
For.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe.